Event lighting wireless transmitters and receivers allow you to connect to your existing fixtures wirelessly. If you are having issues connecting the event lighting wireless transmitter or receiver, one of the common reasons is that the devices are still paired with another. This video will walk you through the steps of unpairing the transmitter from the receiver and vice versa. The first step is to unpair the transmitter from any receivers it is previously connected to. If any of the receivers previously used with the transmitter are available, power them on as the reset process will set the receivers back into their pairing mode, meaning you do not have to manually reset each receiver. This is highly recommended if you have multiple receivers that have been paired with one transmitter in the past. With the transmitter connected to power, press and hold the function button until the LED indicator turns solid red. This means the transmitter is disconnecting from any available receivers and clearing its memory. The LED indicators on any event lighting wireless receivers that were previously connected will now be a solid white, indicating they are ready to connect to a transmitter. It is recommended best practice to unpair the transmitter from its receivers after use, as this ensures that they are always ready for next time. If you do not have access to the transmitter, the receiver can be reset through similar steps. Power it on and press and hold the function button until it turns solid white. This means it's ready to connect to a transmitter now. If the receiver's LED indicator is already solid white, it means it is ready to pair to a transmitter.